How to create custom widgets on Android or iOS. Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So first and foremost, open up your Google Play Store if you're on Android, and if you're on iOS, you open up your App Store and then search for this application. It's called Widgets OS 17. Okay, it's called Widgets OS 17, and then search for it and then install it. After installing it, open it. And then once you're done opening it, you have to be patient until it's done loading. As you can see, it's loading now. So you have to be patient and then it finishes loading. In most cases, okay. So right now it's done loading. So let's choose our widgets of our choice. So I think we shall choose this one over here, this color widgets, okay. All right, so we choose that. And then it has to play some ads, guys. As you can see, you have to be patient because we're using a free version. All right, so for this case, I'll just skip this video over here because it's taking quite a lot of our time. But in some cases, if you try to skip the video and it's not skipping, you have to be patient until it's done. All right, so the video is done, and as you can see, this is the widgets. So just tap on add widgets and then tap on add. So once you've added it, you go to your home screen, you find the widgets. As you can see, this is the widget over here. It shows the date today, which is Thursday, 6th, and it's February. And even it shows the time plus my battery percentage. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. We shall meet once again.